All right, today we're going to bring a VEVOR ladder, and these are great to take with you in the job site. They're smaller, they expand really tall. You don't have to use all of it, you can use some of it. My recommendation, try to use if it's longer, higher, make sure you use a steady one. I'm going to show you guys how to open it up completely. Red means it's going to go down, green it's locked in. All right, just be assured. The last one has buttons, but underneath one, I'm going to show you guys, every single one has a button here. Green is locked in, if you guys can see, lock. If you hit the green, it comes down. Right, just make sure, be careful with your fingers. All right, locked in, button down, and we're going to do that. We could keep it as it is to get a little higher ground. Lock it in place, lock that one in place. Look at that. You don't have to, and then you don't have to use all of them. You can use some of them if you want, and then automatically lock in. The last one, you are going to need to push the button here to make the whole thing come down if you just want the whole thing constantly to come down. So let's test it out and see how it works. Put it to a test. My weight's about 250, right? Just to let you guys know, I'm a heavy duty guy. This could go up to 300 pounds and higher, but don't recommend any higher than that. We're actually going to set up a camera here, and that's why I'm going out there with the ladder. So let's go ahead and do that.